Okay, here we are, and we have some plans today.
Yeah, installing tires to these rims and putting those to the daily driver.
59North wheels.
Yeah, going to be nice.
All right, let's go.
First install these valves. Kind of wide.
Yes.
I don't remember how wide. What is the inch?
I think 9.5, and was it 11?
11.
Yeah.
So
Very wide.
it is wide. The tire specs are here. Like the 295 and the front wheels. The tires are 245. Nice and easy. Start with the. Is this a? Yeah, this is the front wheel.
Same machine has been used for race car tires.
Yeah, old machine, but works still great. This feels almost like solid already. It's usually written outside. Okay. Let's see. I'm no professional.
Hello and welcome to Commercial Break. It's about carvertical.com. It will show you a history report of your car which you're buying, maybe. You need VIN code and use TDB TurboDiesel builds in coupon as a coupon code, and you will get 20% off, or a link in description which will give you also the minus 20%. We have an example car. It's a Volvo S60 and it has been damaged. And as you see, there's pictures and quite much damaged. So maybe they are fixed this car and selling like new. Maybe it's made well or made bad, but the Car Vertical will tell you the truth. So use our coupon to get the minus 20% off TDP, and yeah, back to video.
Maybe this is same in English like soul for the valve.
In Finnish, sielut.
Yeah. I think we need at least 3 bars.
Right.
This one is leaking badly. Paavo saved us.
Okay, now it sounds a lot better.
Much easier. It needed 4 bars to get on. Outside. We have installed the tires, so let's wash these bad boys.
Right.
I think we do it outside.
It's not so cold anymore.
Yeah. Feels almost like summer.
Just quick wash. So, what's next?
Next we are going to lift the car up and put the new tires on.
Alright.
See how it looks, and then we are going to drop the Airmatic a little bit.
So make it lower.
Yeah, I think it looks awful when it's this high, like the stock.
Yeah. So let's go.
Let's continue. Where is the 17mm? Do we have new bolts?
No idea.
These are kinda rusty. Finnish gold. Do we need a spacer? But the one problem is the center part, because the Mercedes front bearing cap is pretty high, so it seems like it's hitting this. Maybe we need to have some spacer here.
Do we have any?
I don't know, I have to ask Lasse.
Okay.
Hello!
Yeah.
Yeah, it's time to remove all tires.
Alright.
Continue Robert's work. Bit of English. But I think Milwaukee talk the same language in every country. Quite nice new 59North wheels. This is a bit complicated with 5x 114.3.
It's close but not enough.
Yeah. What is called the bolt dimensions? Bolt pattern dimension, I think. And of course we use a Mercedes stock bolt. It's quite heavy.
I think we need to take the fenders a little bit out.
You think so?
Yes, it's quite fit.
So here we are. It's quite high.
Don't you think so?
Yeah, we need to start car and see where it stays.
Next step is Airmatic.
Yeah, lowering Airmatic. Correct position.
So you're gonna now drop it down.
Yeah, I'm going to use a diagnostic tool to drop it
Yes.
as Timo wants. And I think he have some mechanical work after that to get the fitment good, the fenders.
Yeah.
We'll see what he can do. Yeah, and need to have the correct camper angles on the software.
Robert might have some tricks for us.
Yes, I think so.
Hello, Mr. Peltola. What we have done today?
We have done wheel assembly to our daily driver. Of course, 59North wheels. And also we have here a short commercial break about Suvanto trucks. It's our new partner for this season. And go and visit their site, suvantotrucks.com. They have a vast selection of heavy equipments, cranes, trailers, trucks, like everything. And they also modify these trucks and trailers if you need. If we go and check a quick look, they have a lot of vehicles. Also they deliver all over Europe and the price range is from couple thousand euros to many 100,000 euros. We have here a Volvo truck, Mercedes trucks, a lot with cranes, a lot of different types of heavy equipment, and everything for everyone, or something for everyone. So go and check their site suvantotrucks.com and go and see. They have a lot of vehicles for sale.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, Lasse tried already something, but
Yeah, we are going to drop it down a little more.
all right.
So let's do some basic measurements.
It's 64 in this side.
Then we are going to drop the passenger side a little more.
64. Should we drop some more? We can try.
Okay,
How's it looking?
now it's looking very good.
I take my expensive
Tools. 63. That looks pretty dope.
So there is some voltage limit.
Yeah.
You have to figure out.
Yeah, so we are close to the limits.
Okay.
When you go over the limits, you need to modify the rods for the level sensors.
Yeah.
So you have to make your custom ones or buy from some shops that made them.
Okay, but this already looks very good.
Yeah, on the rear side you can see we have to do some modifications.
Yeah.
It's hitting.
Teemu said maybe some fenders need to roll out.
Yeah, rolling or maybe some wide body. We will see.
But there will be some camper.
Yeah, camper also. That helps a lot.
Are the rear now okay?
I think so.
No need to measure it.
We can try.
It's 64 and half.
And the other side is.
This is the same.
Okay, so it's now good.
Yeah.
So we have now new wheels.
New wheels. It's lower. Not louder yet. But we will get to that soon. I think maybe we are going to modify the stock exhaust.
Okay.
As you saw, we had the stock exhaust on the die down. So it was pretty sleeper like.
Yes. Okay, but we will see that next time.
Yeah, see you.